Hey, what's up, guys? Well, we're having a Jeep day. It's still minus, I don't know, it's not that bad, like -5 right now. But it is warming up today. It's supposed to be up to like +8, which is friggin' bonus. So yeah, we're gonna slowly start working on the Jeep. It's probably gonna take me a little bit because good days, off days, just depends on how the weather is here. So I'm gonna start by I think I'm gonna try to screw around with the back bumper today. And I got a lot of parts here I picked up off of eBay and like Amazon, all that kind of stuff. A lot of the bolt-on parts, but I know damn well, like with our climate up here and our shitty roads, they're gonna rust out pretty quick. So I'm gonna throw some paint on those today as well. So we're gonna start by taking off the rear tire. I might pull off everything behind that tire as well, but we're gonna go underneath and we're gonna pull everything off here. We're gonna remove this bumper. And I'm going to take a look at my new rear bumper for the first time. Never even opened the box when I got it, like 4 months ago. Tires off. Let's get underneath and see what we can do. Time to take off the hitch. Got, I think it's like 4. Yeah, 4 of those to take off. 4 bolts there. And, where is it? Right up in there. We got a couple to do. Where else? Ah, yes. These guys here. You see it. There we go. I got like that guy. Those guys to take off in there. But before I pull my actual bumper off, let's actually pull this thing apart. Let's see what's actually in this box. Yeah, with any luck, in a couple hours we'll be taking this freaking jacket off. As of right now, it's still a little bit cold. There's my hardware. All right, let's take her out. It's freaking nice. How am I gonna freaking grab it from? Whew. And she's heavy. Well, I've only been out here a few minutes and already regretting this winter coat. That's nice. How's that for a bumper? Holy shit, eh? She's upside down, but damn, that's nice. So here's a little something for my southern, warmer climate people that don't have salt on the roads. Just had to cut all that crap out of there because everything's all rusted together. And if you look under here, I mean, I sprayed it last year. I don't think anyone sprayed it before that with oil, but there you go. Here's what you have to work with. This is a 2013 up in Ontario, Canada. So there you go. That's what we have to deal with up here. There it is. There's the bumper. All the instructions, all the parts are in the box to put the carrier on. So I might as well dig the carrier out and put it on. So in that case, I got to take this thing off, and I've got that block off plate. I might as well go in the house, go get that and give it a paint job there and wait for it to dry and keep on taking things apart. Well, it turns out I was just recording nothing. I just spray painted that. So while that dries, it's flat black, so it should be pretty quick. We're going to pull all that stuff off. Okay, so I just had an idea here. We're looking at the tailgate. Now, when I put this over here, this is all in the open. You see a big hole behind it. So what I was thinking, the wrappers I pulled off for the bumper, it's like a big rubbery gasket. I'm going to cut a big, nice circle, well, square, whatever. I'm going to stick it on there. I'm going to sandwich it in with that thing. Create a seal. Keep the water out. Yeah. You ever concentrate so hard, just get so into a project that you forget you're making a YouTube video? I do. We got the bumper on. We got the swing out tire carrier on. Took a little bit of time, but got a little dirty. It's all good because it looks pretty good. So I guess that's all we're going to get done for today. It's Easter, so we got to go out, see family, and do Easter things. Man, it's beautiful out here now, man. This is fantastic. It's 14 degrees. It's, I mean, t-shirt weather, you know. So yeah, so we'll see you back here in a few minutes or a few seconds when I start working on it again tomorrow. Good morning, guys. How's it going? Well, it's the next day. We're heading out. We got the back. You can see in the picture right there. We got the back loaded up with all the racks, all the rack boxes, and the rock sliders all in the back. We're gonna head over to my buddy's place. We're gonna both put it together. Probably a little easier that way. So we're gonna head over there. We're gonna do that today. We're probably gonna screw around with this Porsche for a bit. What else? Yeah, that's about it. Just go hang out, have some coffee, and enjoy this beautiful weather that we're getting. It's finally here. Spring is finally here. Who would have thought? It's actually a pretty mild winter. We heat our house with pellet stoves, and we have a crap ton left over. Last year was brutal. We had to buy a whole extra skid. I did one of those things again. I got over to his place and I started working right off the hop. So I switched that out this morning, put the bigger tire on it, got that one all set up. The racks and the rock sliders, we did all those as soon as I got to his place, so it was just go, 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 go. So we still got a few more things to throw on here. I'll probably do those this week. Let's go get some grub. Hey, thanks for the help, buddy. Okay, so I guess we're done for the day. Just went and had supper up at the truck stop there. Tomorrow after work, I guess, I'll maybe start putting some of those other little gadgets and whatnot on this thing and slowly get her up to par. But there's another bonus. With that bigger tire on the back and the adjustability of that tire carrier, I was able to move the tire down. Even though it's a bigger tire, I was able to move it down, and I can actually see more out of my back window. I had to go buy more lug nuts for the thing. I used them on the back and the spare tire, so I took away from the other ones that I needed. Good morning, guys. A couple of days later. Got a few more things done last night. Put this guy on last night in the dark. The farm jack there. Probably not going to use it this year, but you never know. Something happens. It'll be there. Yeah, I coated it with rust check. So it's going to be leaking over my paint there for the next couple of days. But we're going to head off to Donnie's place. And we're going to be pulling the bikes out of storage today. And yeah, whatever else that might happen. I need a second person to hold the door shut. I want to put those things on hopefully before, like I'm on my way to work. So I'm going to hopefully get those on before I get to work. Just need someone to hold the door shut while I change them out. Put those little steps on there. That's about it. Still waiting for my lift kit to come in so I can put my bigger tires on. But yeah, let's go. Yep, surprise. Just got over to Donnie's place. Put himself a nice little set of decals on his car. Actually looks pretty good. Totally changes up the whole look. So let's get moving some bikes. And they're moved. Oh man, what a beauty day out today. It's 25 degrees out here, man. We got the windows down in the Jeep, so for a nice cruise. We're just sitting here at the, we're just pulling into the gas station here. Going out to the, I always fill up with the ones on the reserve. They're way cheaper than friggin' in town. Like, I mean, way cheaper, like 10 cents a liter cheaper. So they get my business. It's only just a couple minutes out of my way. So we're gonna finish up here, and we're going to head back into town. There's a thing called the Shady Falls. I'm gonna show you that. It's like the water level in there right now is just ridiculous. So give me a few seconds. We'll get some gas. We'll be on our way. There we go. Change the t-shirt. Now I don't have to put all the little thingies on the screen blocking, you know, like just marking off the layer. What do you, just masking it off, whatever. All right, so we're gonna head over. We're gonna take a drive over to the falls now. I tell you, man, this is the best feeling ever. The wind in here right now is just, the temperature is perfect. It's not hot, it's not cold. It's bang on perfect. After a long friggin' winter, having the windows up, everything all stuffy and just miserable, this is fantastic. This is really, it's gonna make it worse for me, just itching for road trip season. That's coming up in June. The last 2 weeks of June, I'm screwing off. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Well, look at that. No parking spots. Surprise, surprise. Where am I gonna go? So this place is pretty busy all year long. It's right beside the highway. It's well known for just nice hiking trails and whatnot back here. It's nothing crazy. Just a quick little walk in the bush. I guess pretty much we're just gonna have to follow all the dirty footsteps to find our way through here. I don't think I've ever been here this early in the year with all the snow here. But I drove by to go get fuel, and holy crap, the water was high. Oh wow, listen to it. Yeah, it's pretty steep over here too. That other side's nuts. We'll see that on the way back down, I guess. Oh, check this out. Yeah, I'd say this is pretty high. I've never seen it this high. Damn, eh? There's a good way to die. Holy shit. That's never there. Holy man. Wow. Oh, this is just cool. I've never seen it like this, man. This is insane. Oh boy. Oh shit, that's new. That's normally a walking path. How the hell? Alright. Interesting. Yeah, normally you walk right across here. Ain't happening today. That kind of sucks, because that's where some of the cooler pictures are going to be. Shit. I'll hop across over here. Turn the camera off in case I bail, drop my phone. A lot deeper than I thought. And the it's a lot farther to jump to. So we'll walk along it. See if we can find somewhere else. The best pictures are over there. Yeah, whatever. Found a spot. Let's go and see. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're back across. Go work our way down a little bit. I'm a little out of breath from hopping, skipping, and jumping. Yeah, I'm getting old. I'm almost 48. Ugh. 48. My God. Remember as a kid, when I was 48, like, oh shit, are you retired? I feel like I should be. Geez, you get no size comparison. Can't, God. Okay, let's see. See if I can translate it on camera. If I was a person standing over there, I'd be about that tall, standing on that rock. Be about that tall. That's how far away we are. That's how much of a, that's how big this thing is. Are we down here a little bit? Another one of the bigger drop-offs. Considering there's no parking spots available when I got here, let's hope I wasn't towed away. Woo-hoo. Holy moly, holy moly. There we go again. Shit, can I get through here? I don't know. I took a different route than everybody. Oh yeah, I can. That's good. Gotta start holding the camera up here. Not down here. Up here. Yep, she's still there. Guess we get to drive home. Check this out. I just had to go. I just had the dogs outside. This was, you know, getting ready for work type hours. You know, it's all dark out still. But look at this. How Canadian of my weather. It was 30 degrees the other day, 30 Celsius. Now look, we got snow again. Just ridiculous. Nice, eh? Plus 30 2 days ago, and now we got snow again. Oh, what a tease. The hell is this crap?